I think it is a great initiative taken by Ashish Chauhan, who is MD CEO of BSC, and I think the way he has done so fast and implemented it, it is really creditable, and we wish BSC all the best for the success of this venture.
Okay. And sir, from market's point of view, how do you see things changing for the Indian market? Because clearly this would be like a financial SEZ with all perhaps tax benefits being given. So does this really would mean that clearly we would be in a position now to compete, say like a market like a Hong Kong, perhaps Dubai or Singapore?
As Prime Minister Saab has said, I think the purpose of having a exchange in GIFT City is that the business whichever has migrated to the other places in the east side like Singapore, Hong Kong should come back to India, and we hope that in a time to come it will come soon.
Mr. Singhal, if I could quickly ask you, I know that MCX also has been planning and perhaps at the final stages when it comes to GIFT City. How soon do we see MCX setting up its shop and making it operationalized, and what is going to be your game plan for GIFT City?
Actually, as you are aware, we have already have a big office in domestic side of the GIFT City, where we are going to have the DR side and our regional office and other infrastructure for technology side, technology development and all those things. And for the as far as in the international space, we are actually looking into the feasibility. As you are aware, we have a MOU with Chicago Mercantile Exchange. So our setting up a venture here depends on the response from Chicago Mercantile Exchange also. So we are closely looking into the possibility and feasibility, and definitely once some concrete...
Any time frame that you would like to put?
No, presently I don't think there is any time frame, and but we are definitely the possibility of having a international exchange from MCX cannot be ruled out, but of course it all depends on our other partner, which is Chicago Mercantile Exchange.
And quickly, lastly, sir, if I could ask you, we all know 2017, one thing that the market is looking at is the options to be launched in the particularly the commodity side. How are things shaping up? How soon or how far away are we see markets able to trade options in commodities?
Actually, as you may be aware, MCX is ready for option since 2012 when we had a public issue. But now the decision has to be taken by the regulator, and we are expecting that it may come any day.
Perhaps this fiscal is when we can see the trading actually happening?
Yes, we hope so, because as you know, Honorable Finance Minister has mentioned about this in the last budget speech. So we hope that before the next budget sweep of Honorable Finance Minister, there should be some announcement about the introduction of option.
And my last question, sir, before I could let you go is, in terms of products from MCX table, which would be the product that you would be comfortable? Because we all know it would be only one product that regulator will be allowing.
Actually, as I think market feedback is that, as you know, bullion is our star product, and in gold we lost just the opportunity of becoming a price setter, because as you are aware, impact cost on our MCX gold contract was lower than the impact cost and in any of the international exchange. So probably I think once the SEBI allow, so that also we don't know whether SEBI will specifically mention the product or will give the option to the exchanges to decide about the product. But as far as MCX is concerned, I think we'll be in the first phase, we'll start in the gold contract.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow, and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.